welcome to another episode of Jumpin in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today this is what's jumping in my pot: homemade monkey bread from scratch. Let's get to the ingredients: unsalted butter, yeast, granulated sugar, brown sugar, salt, cinnamon, pure vanilla extract, milk, eggs, and all-purpose flour. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Let's get to mixing the dough for the monkey bread. I have the eggs here in a bowl, and we're going to add the melted butter, the milk, the granulated sugar, and the yeast. Then we're going to take a whisk and whisk these ingredients up together. Okay.
But if you want to
Okay, the next thing is we're going to cover this bowl and set it to the side and let it for about 5 minutes. Now I have a larger bowl, and this is what we're going to do next. This is the yeast mixture that was sitting here for about 5 minutes. So we pour this into the larger bowl. And we add the flour to the bowl. I have a spatula here, and we're going to mix the dough with the spatula.
Easy. So
mix it until all the ingredients combine and it forms a ball. So now I have some flour here, and I'm going to sprinkle it on the board. Now I'm going to knead it for 5 to 7 minutes. And after I kneaded it for 5 to 7 minutes, I'm going to grease a bowl and put it in there and let it rise for about 2 hours. I have a bowl here that I greased, and now I'm going to put the dough that I've kneaded into the bowl, turn it over, and I cover the bowl up, and I put it on the counter to let it rise for about 2 hours. The dough was rising for about 2 hours, And this is it. Now, what we're going to do now is I have a bun pan here and I've oiled the bun pan. Now I have melted butter, granulated sugar, and cinnamon to make cinnamon sugar. And we're going to pull a piece of the dough off and roll it into a bowl. Then we dip it into the unsalted butter and the cinnamon sugar. Okay. Then we add it to the bun pan.
And
let me show you another one. Into the unsalted butter, the sugar mixture, and in the bun pan, you put them close together. I have the monkey bread rising in the bun pan, and this is what we do now. I'm going to get a fork. I have melted butter here and brown sugar. We're going to put the brown sugar in and then have the pure vanilla extract jump into the measuring cup. Now I'm going to stir this up. See? Now we're going to take the bun pan with the monkey bread in it, and we're going to pour this mixture over them. This is a caramel we made. Now we're going to pop this in the oven and let it bake for 30 to 40 minutes. Well, now we're going to make the vanilla glaze for the monkey bread. I have here powdered sugar, milk, and pure vanilla extract. We're going to get a whisk and we're going to add the powdered sugar to the milk and the vanilla extract. Then we whisk this up together. There you have it, the vanilla glaze. Here you have it, homemade monkey bread. Enjoy. You can have this on Christmas morning for breakfast or Christmas dessert, whichever you choose. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.